welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another studio vlog. This week is all about prepping, well, starting to prep for my brand new shop launch. Well, update, big shop update on the 25th of Feb at 6 p.m. Yeah, I've just got a few things to make, try out, design, so it's gonna be exciting. I don't know how long the studio vlog will be, but doesn't matter, I'm not gonna worry about that. So yeah, I hope you're all okay. If you don't know who I am Becca, creator and owner of Rebel Jones Design. That was so cheesy. That was so cheesy. Yeah, anyway, welcome. I create loads of cute pink, purpley, kawaii kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the vlog. I need to start the day off by writing a to-do list, of course, and we've got some designing to do, I think, for washi tapes. So yeah, let's crack on with the week. See you in a bit. Hey guys, it is now Saturday. What are you doing underneath there, buddy? What are you doing? Yeah, it is Saturday, and yesterday I had a call with Faire. If you don't know who and what Faire is, it's an online platform for small businesses to sell wholesale. I've wanted to join for a while, but just haven't got around to it or haven't felt ready. But I had an email from one of the brand managers saying that they would like me to be part of it, and they think that I would fit in well. And yeah, so I ended up having a phone call with them, which was really cool. And I am going to be starting my own Faire page. So I want to kind of wait until I do my big shop launch so I have more things to offer. But yeah, that was pretty amazing. I'd love to sell wholesale. It was one of my goals for this year, so fingers crossed, we'll see if it happens. But also today I am planning on, I've printed it out, we pop it into the Silhouette, test printing and cutting my brand new weekly planner stickers that will be part of the big shop launch. So that is what I'm going to do now. I've also finished my designs for this month's Patreon Owl post, and it's so freaking cute. I'll pop it up here so you can have a little look. If you're watching this as well and you want to grab these exclusive goodies, you still can. It's part of my Owl post here on Patreon, so I'll leave the link below. But yeah, that's what we're going to do now, so peace out. Peace out. So lame. Hey guys, so as you saw, I just used my brand new sticker sheets ready for my big shop update. I love them. Just gonna say I really freaking love them. So yeah, that's what I've been up to, scheduling all my posts for Instagram and Patreon, and then we went out for a little lunchtime walk and Tom brought me back a nice little rose for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, or Galentine's Day, or just happy day. My plan of attack now is to take some product photos for my new sticker sheets and sticker packs. So yeah, I'm gonna get the light box out and we are gonna get photographing. Why couldn't I think of that? What the frick? Anyway, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. See you in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new. I've bought printable vinyl for my milk cartons to take into Cardiff Creative. I've never used printable, why can't I say it? Printable, that's right? Printable vinyl, I've never used it before. So this should be interesting. They said to put it through the rear end of the printer. Not really working. Oh. This puts me on so much edge. Printed, so I'm gonna take it out and see if we can get it onto the Cricut and get it cut in. Oh gosh, okay, wish me luck. Okay, so I used the Cricut and yeah, it did not work. It was cutting terribly. I bought a Silhouette ages ago and I was gonna keep the Cricut for vinyl, but I ended up using this on the Silhouette and it worked a dream. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye to my Cricut, but yeah, just wanted to let you know that the Cricut did not work, but the Silhouette worked like a dream. Okay, so I fudged up the first one. It's over there. We're not going to talk to that one. So I wanted to have this front design on the back as well, so I can do that again. But what do we think? Oh my gosh, look how freaking cute it is. And I've ordered straws to go with them. So I'm currently selling these at Cardiff Creative, but let me know in the comments below if you think I should add them to my shop launch at the end of this month, 25th of Feb. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Why do you always come in when I talk on the vlog? Yeah, so I don't know if I showed you on here or if I didn't, but there's the finished milk cartons that's ready for Cardiff Creative. I think I'm going to sell them on my big shop update as well. So if you like the look of them and want to grab one, they come with, it's going to be coming with a straw as well. Then yeah, my shop launch, my big shop update is launching, going live on the 25th of February. So there's a countdown on my story on Instagram. So if you want to press that, the link to my Instagram is below. Anyway, I wanted to come on quickly before I end my day. I've got 2 goodies that I want to open up on here. We have one from OX Mill Studios, and it was part of a Kickstarter, and I've got one from Nikki Jackson Art, and yeah, we did like a little Patreon swap. So she had my goodies from last month, January's goodies, and yeah, I've got hers, so I'm going to open them up. I want to start with Jade's because that's what came first. So OX Mill Studios did a Kickstarter for a first ever notebook, and I'm freaking out, and I'm so freaking excited to see it, to have it, to open it. So I know it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. So the Kickstarter is called Making My Dreams a Reality. So how cute is this holographic sticker? We got a print with it, and oh my gosh. Look at it! Oh my god, Jade, if you're watching this. Oh my gosh, Jade, it feels so freaking lush. Oh my god, I can't even. Guys, how beautiful is this? Look at it. It's silver, and it says, Making My Dreams a Reality. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out, that is insane. Goals right there, Jade, goals right there. I love it. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, if you want to grab one of these amazing notebooks, I think she has them on sale now. Please go and check her out. I'll link her shop below. The quality, guys, is insane. So yeah, I'd highly recommend. It's, oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's amazing. Congrats, Jade. Right, next up is Nikki Jackson Art. Lovely little pink envelope that I've got it in, that it's come in. I'm sorry, Nikki, I've just ripped your head off your sticker. I do apologise. Oh, how lush. Oh my gosh. But I'm guessing this is the Patreon. Oh my god, that sticker feels amazing. How beautiful is this? This is her Patreon. I'll link her Patreon below. It's her Happy Mail tier. And the bookmark. Oh, Nikki, it's beautiful. That sticker, Nikki. You need to tell me how you make this sticker. It's like, it feels really good. Oh, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. So yeah, please go and check Jade from OX Mill Studios out and Nikki from Nikki Jackson Art out. I will link them below, their shops and their Instagrams. Go and follow them, go and check them out. And yeah, if you're watching this and you are a small business and you if ever want to send goodies that I open up on here, you are more than welcome to. Whenever, just give me a message and I'll send you my address. But I also have an amazing reward over on my Patreon called the Bex Buys Reward, and every month I actually buy from my Patreons, and then I do a Rebels Reviews video that goes up on Instagram. So if you're a small business looking for a really supportive, honest and friendly community, I'd highly recommend my Patreon. And yeah, that Bex Buys Reward is like my favourite thing about it. So yeah, I'll link my Patreon below as well. But yeah, thank you so much, girls. Everything is amazing, and yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, and I have a whole day of working on my business, which is Lush. We are currently on 17th of Feb. Wales are due a huge storm, like a really, really bad one. 90 miles per hour. We've got a red warning. So Tom, Bryn and I are staying around my mum's tonight because she's a bit scared, basically, and I don't blame her because it sounds worrying. So hopefully I'll be back in the studio tomorrow working on some stuff, and I'll let you know how we get on with the storm. I know there was a name. The one yesterday was Storm Dudley, which I love, by the way, as in the name Dudley, but because of Harry Potter. Anyway, but this one, it's called something else, and I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, God, I'm boring you with this. I'm talking about a storm on my vlog. Why? I'm so sorry. Right, I'm gonna leave you. Love you and leave you. Bye. Hey guys, I am gonna be ending the studio vlog here. I'm currently watching Love is Blind season 2. I watched season 1 ages ago. And season 2's just started, and I watched it all. Like, I just binge watched it, and now I've been waiting a few days for the next few episodes, and they're here, so I am watching them. I'm taking some more photos, some more product photos ready for the shop launch. Yeah, that's what the next vlog will all be about, the build up to the shop launch and see how it goes. Don't forget that if you are a patron of mine, you'll be getting an early bird link to the shop launch 2 days early, so you can get everything before everyone else. So yeah, don't forget to, if you want to get involved in that, the link is below. Also, come and sign up to my mailing list so I can remind you every day that the shop launch is coming. And I also send out exclusive discount codes, and actually if you sign up via the link below, you will get a 10% off discount code to use on my shop. So yeah, if you fancy doing that, everything's below to click. I really hope you've enjoyed my studio vlog. Thanks again for joining me, and wish me luck on this shop launch. I'm launching quite a few things, and I really need it to be quite a successful shop launch, and I'm so worried that it won't be. So yeah, I'm not going to talk about it too much because I'll get all anxious about it and feel really sick about it. So yeah, don't forget, Friday the 25th of February at 6 PM, massive shop update including new sticker packs, new washi tape, new cute milk carton water bottles, prints, new weekly planning sticker sheets. I've designed another sticker sheet like yesterday, so that'll be going up. Yeah, just loads. So yeah, just wish me luck. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week.